That's it. That's how it's going. Let's begin.
I know what I'm supposed to do when you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hey guys, good morning. Actually, I'm in my outfit, my exercising outfit. I just started an exercise routine every morning. At least let me jump around and see if this my mommy body is gonna come back to normal. So guys, that's how I always do. But for a long time I stopped, so now I am actually trying to get back to ground again. So I thank God I have gotten a new nanny. That's her. So she's taking care of my baby girl. She has actually bathed her this morning. Esther, come and say hi. Hi, yes, that's Esther. Okay, so actually she has actually bathed her. The baby's so happy and she's actually getting along. Okay guys, they can see my nanny. They are getting along. So guys, that's how I am starting off today. I actually want to. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm actually trying to start. I'm going to do some joggings in my house. After that, let me just do some other things this morning, and that's it. That's how it's going. Let's begin.
Keep quiet. Mama say keep calm. I say keep calm. You don't want to sleep.
I'll just go right to my office. Thank you, sir.
And thank you for the work you're doing. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Only after you get back down.
Look for you, and nothing happened.
So whenever I'm starting something off like this exercise, I have to start it on the lighter note before getting intense, because my body needs to readjust, because for a very long time I stopped doing exercises, so my body is trying to readjust to it, and so that it will be okay for me. So that's it for this morning exercise. If you should not laugh at me, please, for the record, if you should not laugh at me, because I am trying to get back to myself. Thank you.
1 hour later.
So guys, after 1 hour I had to plait my nanny's hair. Her hair is not really good. I think she really need to pay me for this, because this is not actually what I am. It's not part of the plan. But actually, I am actually good in plaiting knotless braid, if you don't know. So I plait hair. So I am actually using this period to do it.
1 day later.
So now look at the hair that I did. I couldn't video it on. I did it off camera and I was able to finish it on time. I hope the hair is fine. Thank you guys.